Here at PCMag, we publish around 2,000 reviews of the latest tech each year. We've put together a list of our top 100 favorite products and services. Here are 5 noteworthy products to give you an idea of what to expect. Lenovo's reign as Lord of Business laptops continues with the 14-inch ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11. With a choice of 13th Gen Intel Core processors, a full set of ports, and a legendary ThinkPad keyboard, this year's revision is enough of an update to maintain its royal status. Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 is the graphics card to beat for mainstream PC gamers. With 8GB of GDDR6 video memory and 1080p resolution, the GeForce RTX 4060 is this year's best bet for exceptional performance and gorgeous gameplay. The Google Pixel 8 is the smaller and more affordable model from Google's latest line of smartphones, but it doesn't skimp on the features. Google's Tensor G3 processor gives the phone loads of on-device AI features, including advanced video and photo editing and enhanced Google Assistant search tools. The Meta Quest 3 has the fastest processor and the highest resolution of any Meta headset to date. It also has cool, full-color pass-through cameras, so you can comfortably navigate your surroundings and use augmented reality software. ProtonVPN includes multi-hop connections and access to the Tor network. It's also the best free VPN subscription that we've seen. Longtime users will find the features they're looking for, and first-time users will enjoy the straightforward experience. Remember, we have 95 other top-rated products and services to explore, so make sure you check them out on PCMag.com.